मीना बुला रहे देखो। बाबा की जय हो। I am sensing two urban rats in my lair. He is wearing very cheap deodorant. It is getting my nostril. How? Baba, you have come from far and you have also brought your ridiculously dressed friend.
बोला यार कपड़े चेंज कर।
Never fear. Mountain Dave knows all, he has seen all. If you are wearing suspender in this day and age, जरा एयर कंडीशनर तेज करना थोड़ा, ये वाला। हाँ। How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood?
ये क्या है भाई?
Answer is simple one. Means in every jungle there are loin and there are beer.
I drink it every day.
Please tell your annoying friend to shut up when I talk. In every jungle there are loin and there are beer. Loin is CEO of jungle. Beer is for making children stuffed toy. Simple point is this: which side of the wall you want to be? You want to be loin, in control, or you want to be children stuffed toy?
बाबा जो भी दीवार शीला के पास है बाबा। शीला के बाबा।
While you are here climbing into mountain path like idiot, Sheila is downstairs in urban center partying in disco with friends.
बाबा आपको कैसे पता?
I am seeing on my Facebook account. I'm getting live. But aside from this, I have sacrificed all earthly desire. Aside, I am having one small investment portfolio giving regular return. That is separate. But come closer to me. Come closer. Have you met Kamini? She is like a daughter to me. Many centuries ago in the heartland of Punjab, there used to be a secret dance, which was called the rain is falling in the field, peacock dancing, ladies going crazy, men are flying, you are dying. But I will not teach you that dance. Instead, I will give you eternal wisdom of the ages. Because, first of all, your name? Rampi. We have an ancient Sanskrit saying which goes something like this. Is your name Rampi? You ain't gonna get Humpy. But aside from that, Kamini, जरा आंखें बंद करके अपने हाथ बाहर निकालो।
ये क्या है बाबा?
25 GB का हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव मेरी पालिका बाजार से
डिस्काउंट मिला आपको?
It is having every information which you are requiring and maybe something for your fashion sense deprived friend. You would like to see?
But how will this help me, Baba?
You would like to see?
Yes, Baba.
Kamini.
बाबा ये क्या है?
Kamini. Asli लड़कियाँ Kamini.
ये क्या है?
They are my sister. Excuse me. लड़की होने के 3 नुस्खे. I want you to remember one simple thing.
हाँ बाबा.
You are advertising guy.
Yes, Baba.
And advertising guy always get the girl.
जय हो बाबा की। जय हो बाबा की। जय हो बाबा की।
The brief is not just for hearing. It is for writing.
बाबा.
What is in your mind must be on your word doc. 2. Have supreme confidence and take the easy path. Make the thought starter your life.
सुन रहे हो भी?
आज से सोना बंद. Third and most important, if you want to ensnare that love bird in the cage of your heart, then have no fear. डर के आगे जीत है. बिना सोचे करो आर्टवर्क रिलीज अपने दिल का. Just send it out. you are going with this idiot help making 360 integrated campaign.
360-degree integrated campaign, Baba?
Yes, and she is falling for you.
Baba, आप धन्य.
Because advertising guy
Gets the girl.
oh now leave me
धन्य हो. मैं चल रहा है.
they are hard at work for the most part.
साइन कर दूं मैं. प्रोसेसिंग में ले जाके इसे. अब हम करेंगे रिलीज.
Yes.
आर्टवर्क. चल.
Let's go, man. Now let's go see the results of their hard work. We return to the Ruby Sen residence, where Mrs. Ruby Sen is waking up to find the morning paper.
सारी रात में सोनी से लच्छी पेपर्स में क्या है? ओ, ये तो वही है। रंपी,
क्या हुआ मम्मी?
रंपी, फुल पेज ऐड। शीला देखो। I've started to like this guy.
I like his double spread ad.
वैसे तुम चिंता मत करो, तुम्हारा वो खूनी
ओ
बॉयफ्रेंड आ
हाँ,
रहा है।
वो भी तो है. कब आएगा वो?
वो आने ही वाला होगा। It takes for some time to get ready ना।
Hello. आपकी बेटी कहाँ है?
बेटी को छोड़ो, इधर से ध्यान। बेटे,
आओ शीला, हम डेट पे चलें. एक नई BMW में.
देखो, 2:1 रेशियो में इतना बड़ा होल्डिंग. अरे ये जंप यहाँ पर क्या कर रहा है?
Oh God, I'm sick of this guy. Let's go and watch the movie.
In the picture also.
बेटी संभल के।
हम बने तुम बने एक दूजे के लिए
डब्बी तो
अभी
रंपी.
लो बिल्कुल लो
यहाँ पर भी.
RumpyAgarwal.com
Oh God, रंपी और टीवी.
Come on,
Sheila!
I'm hating this. ये यहाँ पर कहाँ से आ गया रंपी?
Coolly.
Yes, रंपी.
Sheila, मेरी है.
शीला मेरी है और मेरी ही रहेगी.
क्यों? तेरे में ऐसा क्या है जो तेरे साथ जाएगी शीला?
अबे साले, मेरे पास हेज फंड है, पेंशन फंड है, सिक्योरिटीज है, म्यूचुअल फंड है. तेरे पास क्या है?
मैंने शीला के लिए 360-degree कैंपेन रोल आउट किया है और उसको ग्रैंड एफी भी मिला.
नहीं खेलता चाहिए. Who cares about Grand FE?
शीला!
शीला, you going with me?
शीला मेरे साथ जाओ.
शीला,
शीला!
छोड़ दो मुझे. ना तुम्हारे साथ, ना तुम्हारे साथ.
क्यों?
मैं तो जाऊंगी माउंटेन देव के साथ.
ये कौन है यार?
बेटा रंपी, you are looking well, healthy, eh?
But who's Mountain Dev?
What is this?
कौन है ये?
Oh! You two are together?
Of course not, Baba. Sheila. Sheila, मेरी है. I am the advertising guy, Baba. I was supposed to. But I'm the investment banker. I'm rich as money.
I don't think you lived through 2008, Sunny. Take a step back. As for you, there was one little detail I forgot to tell you.
बताओ बाबा.
Remember when I asked you how much oud can I chuck? Well, turns out Mountain Dev can chuck that much oud. I used to be an advertising guy.
बाबा आप ही?
Many years ago. That's a story for another day. We will continue another. Enjoy yourself. Have a good time with the movie.
What about us?
बर्बाद.
Artwork ही artwork. जैसा है जैसा.
और फिर इन सब का क्या हुआ? Is there a happy ending? Turns out there was a happy ending, ladies and gentlemen. Here's to you, Mrs. Ruby Sen. Turns out she was trying to seduce Ronald. to live a very happy life. As for investment banker boy, he decided to give up his wealth and move to the mountains. And as for Humpty, well, Mountain Dave gets the girl because he, come on.
He is the ex-advertising. Hello?
हेलो मिस्टर आपके लिए कोई मिलने आया है रिसेप्शन पे है
कौन है?
क्लाइंट मैं आपके सीट पे भेज देती हूँ
भेज दो। Hi. Over drinks, let's do that.